Hi Jin Peh, welcome to Pena Castle here in Sintra.
Thank
Tell
you,
us
Jonny.
about your mission on planet Earth at the moment.
Well, at the moment, I'm busy working on books about Chinese astrology, the Four Pillars of Destiny. I think I'd like to introduce that to the English-speaking audience, as well as the Western audience. And I've also been running classes here in Portugal, as well over in Russia, Dubai, Germany, and also in Australia.
Gosh. So do you speak many different languages?
Well, I try my best. I mean, I speak English, I speak Mandarin, Cantonese, Fujian, I speak French, you heard the other day.
Yes.
And since I've been living in Dubai for 10 years, more than 10 years, I've also learned Arabic. And I've had to learn some Russian recently because I've been going to Russia a lot.
Okay, wow, that's quite a lot.
Oh, yes.
So you travel around the world a lot?
Yes, I enjoy traveling, and the classes take me to different corners of the world. And when I finish my classes, I always try my best to see a different part of that country where I'm visiting.
Okay. And what would you say is your weakness? What's your vice?
Oh my goodness. The souvenir store, what do you think? That's where I'm heading to right after this.
Okay. And some movies, maybe?
Oh, definitely. I always try to catch, movies in their original version with the corresponding subtitles wherever I go.
Okay. And last question, are you on any medication?
Right now, I usually take Panadol for headaches, but you haven't given me a headache, so I'm fine.
Okay.
And there hasn't been any need to use Viagra here in Portugal, because,
Okay.
Can we use that?
Sure. So generally no.
No. I don't normally take medications, actually.
Okay.
I try to avoid them
Me
if
too.
I can. Very good.
I like to go. I would imagine Feng Shui is about balance and.
Yes, I know, but when you have a headache, Panadol works best, really.
Yeah.
Paracetamol.
Okay. All right. Well, it's been great talking to you. Jin
Likewise.
Peh, here at Pena Castle.
Yes.
Is it a palace or castle?
I think it is a palace, because the
quite
castles
amazing.
are more like, defensive.
Yeah.
They have a cafeteria here and a souvenir store, so it must be a palace.
Yeah. Well, it's just been great. Let's talk again soon.
Yes, my
Okay.
pleasure.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.